In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on Squarespace. First, head to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in. From the home screen, click Dashboard to open the list of sites in your account. Choose the site you want to accept payments on, then click Go to Website to enter the site editor. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand navigation and click Website to open your site's main controls. From there, open Settings. This is where most of your store and checkout configuration lives. Inside Settings, select Website to reveal commerce-related options for your site. Now, find and click Selling. This section centralizes everything related to your storefront, products, checkout, and payment connections. Within Selling, open Payments. This page is the hub for connecting your processors and managing how you get paid. If you haven't connected anything yet, you'll see a prompt to add ways to receive payments. Click that to begin, then choose Connect a Payment Processor. Squarespace notes here that setup is free and usually takes only a few minutes, which is accurate in most cases. Keep in mind that while Squarespace doesn't charge to connect, your processor will have its own transaction fees. You'll see the Online section first. This is where you enable processors that let customers pay on your website. Click Online to expand it. Next, click Stripe to view or start the connection. Stripe allows you to accept major credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other local methods depending on your region. If you're operating internationally, Stripe is often the most flexible option. Follow the prompts that open to sign in to your Stripe account or create one if needed, then authorize the connection so Squarespace can securely process payments on your behalf. If you prefer or want to offer multiple methods, click PayPal as well to review that option. PayPal lets customers pay with their PayPal balance, linked cards, or bank accounts, which some shoppers find more convenient. Connecting both Stripe and PayPal can increase conversion by giving customers a familiar choice at checkout. If you also sell in person and you're based in the United States, open the Point of Sale section. Click Point of Sale, US only, to expand it, then choose Square. This connection links your Squarespace inventory to a Square point of sale setup so you can accept card payments at a physical location while keeping stock levels in sync. You'll be guided to sign into Square and authorize the integration. If you don't sell in person, you can skip this area and focus on your online processors. Once you've connected the processors you want, return to the Payments area and click Settings. This is an important stop to align the business details that affect checkout. Open Store Currency and choose the currency you want to display and charge in across your storefront. Pick the currency that matches your primary market and, ideally, the currency of your payout bank account to minimize conversion fees. While you're here, it's a good idea to confirm other selling settings, like regions you ship to and tax rules, so your checkout is accurate from the first order. When you're finished, click the X to close the panel and return to your site. At this point, your payment processors are connected and your store currency is set. Before you go live, review your product prices, shipping rates, and tax settings, and make a small test order in preview mode to make sure the checkout flow, payment authorization, and order confirmation all look the way you expect. If a processor isn't appearing during checkout, revisit the Payments page to confirm the connection is active and that your site's country and currency are supported by that processor. That's it. You've navigated from your account dashboard to your site, opened website settings, configured selling and payments, connected your processors for online and, if applicable, in-person sales, set your store currency, and wrapped up by closing out of settings. You're ready to start accepting payments on Squarespace.